Aukey has done it yet again. These T21 earbuds are simply fantastic. Inside the box, there's not a lot going on besides 3 pairs of ear tips, small, medium, and large, a charging cable, a quick start guide, a user manual, and a registration key. But what really stands out is the slim profile of the Aukey T21 earbuds. So what I've learned with owning multiple earbuds is ease of use is key for a user like myself. With the Aukey T21s, all I had to do was simply pull up my Bluetooth, pull one of the earbuds out, instantly connect, and then the earbuds pair to themselves. The controls are super easy too. So to play music or answer a call, all you do is double tap the right or the left earbud. If you are listening to music and you want to skip to the next track, simply hold the right earbud for 2 seconds. You will then skip to the next song. If you want to go back, simply hold the left earbud for 2 seconds and you'll go back. Much like the other earbuds I have, this is a charging case, so it's nice to be able to keep your earbuds safe, secure, and charged at all times with this super slim profile case. One of those things I like about cases this small is they can fit into that weird little pocket that you have on your jeans. Something that's being adopted by plenty other earbud companies is a magnetic closing top. It's nice. I was also able to test the microphone quality of the T21s, and to be honest, I was pretty surprised at how well they sounded. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is me testing the EP-T21 Aukey earbuds. They're snug in my ears. Kind of a sound canceling effect. They're so snug in there, so I'm curious to see how they sound. So let's play this back. While they don't deliver 100% top of the line, round full audio quality in voice, they are really, really good, in my humble opinion, and I attribute that to the microphone being located at the bottom of the stem. The way that the earbud fits in your ear and contours to your jawline, I assume that it's picking up a little bit better of the projectile audio that is coming out of your mouth hole. Now, while these earbuds were provided to me by Aukey, I never have to say anything good about the products that I receive. It's one of those stipulations that I always include when I talk to companies. Now, I will say that these have actually taken over my main wares for earbuds. For a price point of $50, I think that this is a comparable set of earbuds that you should definitely look into, read reviews, and read about the company. That's one of those things that I've noticed when reviewing products or earbuds in general. Customer satisfaction is weighed differently in different companies. And one of those things that Aukey does is they take care of their customers. So if you have any questions about these earbuds in general, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll throw links in the description so you can pick these up yourself. Be sure to watch these videos on other earbuds that I've checked out, and subscribe if you haven't already. My name's Tom, thanks for watching, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.